teaching well teaching and good environment, celebrations, enjoyment, all are in one platform. I'm Chaitra. I'm from Ranebennur. I'm an engineering graduate in CSC from STJ Institute of Technology. In my college, KodNest team came and hiring students to teach training. So I'm a CSR batch. In my college, I have got a place to KodNest. I came here and trained Java. I feel confident. I have trust KodNest because of Dream Factory. I have watched the Dream Factory videos and that's very familiar to learn Java. First of all, Java is there in our academics, but due to the COVID pandemic, we have not learned about Java. We have promoted, so KodNest is really helpful for learn Java. Coding also. In the Dream Factory watched videos, I loved it. Videos. Puneet sir was teaching fabulous. So I'm a big fan of Puneet sir. So I learned. Then came here. I'm confident to learn the new things and advanced Java also. Makes it easy to learn. So I have learned that. Technical interview I have attended maybe 5 to 6 face-to-face. So they asked about Java only, core Java or advanced Java, like keywords. I don't know about that first two interviews. Then I started learning whatever the sir told in the class and makes list and studied well and cracked the interview easily. I cracked it. It's very amazing platform to crack the interview because teaching well teaching and good environment, celebrations, enjoyment, all are in one platform. So I should recommend for my friends, cousins. I should recommend for join the KodNest. We have to make effort of crack the interviews. We have to learn and we have to practice the coding theory and all. Practice is mainly important. Hard work. It's very amazing experience I have. Starting, okay, first we have to learn and then I have to attend the interviews. So first 2 months I have attended the classes and then I attended the drives. Starting drives, that's really tough for me to crack the interviews. Then I have to learn about the theory, coding, practicing coding, and not just told I'm searching for websites. In websites, interview questions, I have learned that and make a list and daily I revised that. And finally I attended the interview and got selected. Ma'am, Digit Insurance, ma'am, got a 4.5 LPA. Location is Bangalore. Thank you.